If your Google Ads search campaign is not working, then you may have fallen for one of Google's traps. And in this video, I'm going to show you a quick 1-second way that you can check if your campaign has fallen for this trap. These Google traps are embedded in the Google Ads system, and I have affectionately called them Google gotchas because they catch so many people out. So in this video, I'm going to show you if you've fallen for it, and importantly, how you can rectify it so that your Google search campaign is set up the right way. Let me show you real quick in this live Google ad account. And as you can see here, we have a number of campaigns. Now, this particular client was only wanting to run a search campaign. That is an ad on the Google search network only. And if you look here at the difference in this icon to this icon, you see these different campaigns have these two different icons. So that tells me that these campaigns, these ones, have actually fallen for this Google gotcha. And I'll show you what I mean. If I click on this campaign real quick and go to campaign settings, you'll see here that the networks that this campaign is targeting is the search network, search partners, and the display network. Now, if you are wanting to run a search network campaign, you do not want the display network enabled. You need to turn that off. Now, this is a very sneaky setting by Google. By default, it is automatically checked on. So you need to take this extra step to turn it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, and you need to deselect the display network and deselect search partners. And by doing this, it will mean that you have a search network only campaign, which is what you want. I'm not saying not to do the display network, but you want to separate it into an entirely different campaign because the performance of the display network and search network are completely different. And if you combine them, the data you get is almost useless. So this is just one of the Google gotchas that Google have embedded in their system. I've actually comprised a list of all the Google gotchas. There's about 14 of them in a handy free guide that you can download for free. I'll put a link in the description. Make sure you download it so you avoid wasting any unnecessary money and your ads are actually set up the right way. If you like this video, maybe check out our website, teachtraffic.com, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos from my channel. Thanks so much for watching.